Welcome back to Nailed It! Today I have this beautiful sunflower set for you all, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. Alright, first I will be starting with a mixture that I did, and it is Yellow Jacket with a little hint of the bee's knees, just to make Yellow Jacket a little bit more of a deeper yellow and give off that sunflower vibe. Yellow, you can just use Yellow Jacket, I think that will work fine, but I feel like for my skin tone I wanted to add a little bit of orange to warm it up. And as you can see there, I applied it on my pinky, my middle finger, and my thumb. Now I'm going in and doing a second layer, and I'm applying that on my pinky, my middle finger, and my thumb as well. I actually only needed 2 coats to build this up, so it was fine, and everything worked out pretty good. And then I went in and used that same mixture to start my sunflowers. So I'm just taking a very inexpensive paintbrush that I got from Walmart, I think, and I'm just going in, adding some petals. There's really no rhyme or reason of what I'm doing or anything like that. So yeah, I really had fun making this design. I don't think my sunflowers 100% look like sunflowers. They kind of look like daisies or something, but it was really cute, and I really love this set. I think it came out really pretty. So after I'm done with that first layer and cured it in my light, I'm going to go back in with the second coat just to build it up a little bit and give my flowers a little bit more dimension. So that's what I'm doing here. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to cure my light for 30 seconds, and then I will be adding some more accents with the bee's knees, just some orange accents and stuff, and make it kind of pop a little bit, because inside of a sunflower kind of gets darker, like deeper in color. So that's what I was trying to mimic there. And I switched over to my small detailer brush that I think I got from Sally's. After that's cured, I'm going to go in with that same brush, and I'm going to dip into Espresso Yourself, and I'm just going to add a hint of brown accents there, and then I'm going to go in and fill in the middle of the flower with the whole brown, and then cure that in my light for 30 seconds. Then after that's cured, I'm going to add one thin layer of Espresso Yourself to my pointer finger, and then I'm going to cure my light for 30 seconds. Now I wiped off all of the sticky layer off the nails, so I'm going back in with Espresso Yourself so that I can add some pigment onto it. I got this little pigment stuff from Born Pretty. It came in a set, and it had like purple, green, blue, and this brown color that I'm using, and I freaking love it, you guys. I love the hint of little sparkles in it, and it's just so gorgeous and so beautiful on the nails. I highly recommend it if you guys are going to recreate this look. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I'm using my silicone tool. I got this tool from Born Pretty, and everything that I use that I got online, I would definitely link down below for you guys if you're wondering where I got stuff and all that good stuff. So I would definitely link everything below, so you guys can check that out if you're interested. And now I'm going in with no other than Super Shiny Top Coat, and I'm going to seal in all of my nails and cure my light for 60 seconds. These are my final results. If you guys like this look, don't forget to thumbs up this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!